Guys, in this video, I want to show you guys how to set up your Clave smart wallet on your Mero device. So in this case, I'll be using my Android device. So for those who want to get started, you can actually get this on the Google Play Store for Android users, and for those who are using an iOS device, you can get this on the Apple Store. So now what I'm going to do is to get to the Google Play Store. So what I'm going to do is to open Google Play Store. So you can see my screen. We have a Clave smart wallet. As you can see, it's already installed. So what I'm going to do is to click on open. So we have it open. So we have it clear. So we're going to wait for the entry interface. So we're waiting for it to get us to the entry interface. So now we have here, so you can see the first one, we have the instant, free, and global. Okay, we have welcome to Clever Wallet, manage your crypto with simplicity you expect from every app. So we have instant, free, and global transfer for everyone. So you can actually use your simple username and the rest. So you have to also own your money securely on this particular smart wallet app. So we also have, finally we have invest and earn in one click. So this is everything about the Clave smart wallet. So now I want to show you guys how to create an account and also show you guys how to log in. So now for those who are actually new to this platform, you can actually click it to create new account. So now when you want to create new account, so you have to actually use a pass key, like a pass key. You have to create a pass key. So as you can see, this is my pass key. I've already created an account already. So we have a wallet created was on 25th. So we have you use a different device. So we have this is my email. So what I'm going to do is to click on continue. So I want to do click on continue. So we have a you have to use your screen lock or a biometric to continue. So I'm going to click on continue. So as you can see, so we have we're actually creating new accounts. So now we have this my new account. You can see we have that is it. So welcome to your Clave account. So we have here set your username. As you can see, the first thing I'm going to do is to set my username. As you can see, what I'm going to do is to click on to create a username. So we have Valentizi. As you can see, we have Valentizi. Okay, it's already taken. So what I want to do is to click on Valentine, and this is it. So this username is actually nice. So I want to click on save. So as you can see, I've clicked on save account. So that will be interesting. So now we have here enable notifications. So you have to stay informed with the real-time updates, get alert on incoming funds, completed transaction, and security notification. So what I'm going to do is click on get started. So now this is actually the user interface of the Clave smart wallet. As you can see, I've actually set my username. I can actually tap it to view. So we have your address is on ZKC era. So this is the network, the chain. So we have important. So you have to send tokens only on the ZKC network. That's what they're trying to say. So use your address to receive tokens from other wallets or exchanges on the ZKC network. Please take note of that. So as you can see, this is my username. You have balances.clave.eth. So this is my contract address for this particular smart wallet. So I'm going to click on done. So we have the QR code. So now the QR code is actually used for scanning tokens. As you can see, this QR code, you can actually use this QR code to connect to the apps, and you can actually send it to an address. So what I'm going to do is to go back. So now we have account balance. So my account balance is actually $0.00, as you can see. So we have another feature. We have the request feature. So this is actually when you want to request for a particular token. So for example, I want to request for $20 worth of USDC. So what I'm going to do is to click on continue. So for me to request, you can actually use the QR code, the QR scanner, or the QR code, or you can actually share your link with the person you want to request for payment. So that's the interesting part of this. So we're going to go back to home. So now we also have the send feature. So the send feature is you can actually send tokens to your friends. So by sending tokens to your friends, you have to enter the recipe. So now the recipe can actually be a clear username or an ESNs or an address. So that is the three things you can actually use in this platform. You can actually use a username or an ESN and also a contract address. That's what they're trying to say. So you can actually use the link. As you can see, we have a send with link. So any of these choice, you can use your choice if you want to use it. So we also have the swap feature. So the swap feature actually helps to actually swap cryptocurrency to different cryptocurrencies. So that's what it's actually. For example, you can actually swap from ETH to USDC. That's what they're trying to say. From different crypto tokens to different crypto tokens. That's what they're trying to say. That's the idea behind it, swapping features. So you can see, you can actually make it vice versa, or you can actually make it any of your choice. So we also have a deposit. So for you to actually deposit, you have to fund your wallet with crypto on the CKC network era, that is the network I'm talking about. So for you to actually deposit, request for deposit, deposit your crypto from a wallet. So we have the wallet like MetaMask, we have Phantom wallet, we have the Zeron, we have Rabbi, the likes of Rabbi, and Rainbow, likes of more. You can actually deposit your crypto from an exchange in this particular smart wallet. So we have likes of Binance, Coinbase, we have Parable, we have Binance, Bybit, and the likes. So this is the interesting part about this particular features. So another interesting part about this, we have the transaction history. So this helps to record transaction history on this particular Clave smart wallet. So it records all the ongoing, outgoing transaction history in this particular smart wallet. So we also have the hub. So now the hub is actually has different features. So we have actually talked about deposit. So we have all action here. We have the portfolio. So it's help to check your portfolio. Like this has to be your account balance of different, how much do you have in different or cryptocurrency assets in this particular platform. So we have the likes of Ethereum, you have to check your balance. We have Ether, USD, ZKC, and the rest. You can also, in this particular profile, you can actually add custom tokens. So custom tokens are tokens that are actually using the smart contract address. You can actually search them. Or you can actually use the smart contract address to add them. You add them either manually, or you can actually add them as a token. So that is the meaning of custom token. So you can actually search for the token to add them here, or you can actually use the add manually button. So we have the add manually button. So what this means, you have to add the custom token. So by doing that, you have to actually copy the contract address of the token and also input the name of the token, and the token ticker will actually show here. So you just click it to add the custom token. That's what it means. So another features of this particular platform, we have the end. So you can actually earn crypto assets here. So by doing that, you have to invest in different of these particular features. You can actually invest in stables. So by stables, you have to invest in currencies that have value. So we have likes of USDT, we have USDC, we have that. You can actually look at their percentage per APR, so you can check them out. So we have the ZKC sum, and you can actually invest in them to earn profit. And we also have futures here. We actually invest in this particular A to earn profit. So you have the earn, you can actually earn up to $135,000 with 1,000. So you have to tap here to learn more on how to earn on this particular Clave wallet. So we have another feature, like we have the payments link. So if I've said it, like if you want to make payments, you can actually use links. So for doing that, you have to create a new link, put the amount of money you want to send with the link, and send it to your fellow Clave smart wallet user. That's what it means. You have to use it between, it's actually a wallet to wallet. So if you have someone that is using a Clave wallet, you can actually use the payments link. So we have the browser. So the browser helps you to find anything you want to find. So you can actually use it to connect to the apps likes of Uniswap. You can check them out. So we have likes of Uniswap here on this particular browser. So as you can see, so we have Uniswap, we have likes of PancakeSwap, and a lot. We have seen Swap and the rest. So this is important about this important features about this particular browser. So we have the split. So the split helps you to create a group with your friends to split bills and payments. So maybe if you want to share your interest of some funds, you can actually come here to create groups and add your friends to it, so they can actually help to share payments to your friend globally. So we have managed guidance. So managed guidance helps to these are your friends on Clave. So any addresses on the ZKC area can be assigned as a guidance. So you can actually assign a friend to this particular platform through their addresses. What you have to do is you need to add at least one guardian for a social backup. So maybe if something goes wrong with your wallet, so you can actually have a social backup, that is your friend, to recover your account for you. So you can come here to add your guardians by actually come here to add, inputting their username, and actually click here to proceed. That is the best interesting part about this particular Clave wallet. So now we have the buy future. So the buy future is actually coming soon. So it's actually a new feature which is actually coming soon. So another features of this particular wallet, you have the profile. So let's look at our profile. So you can see this is my profile. So in the profile, you can actually set your picture here. We have my username, we have valentine.clave.eth. So this is my address. You can actually copy this if you want to send, if I want to request for payment. And we have here your Clave benefits. So we have to view your benefits. So what these account settings, so we have social backup. So social backup, you can actually view to configure your social backup, maybe adding your friends to help you in terms if your account has a problem. So that's the meaning of social backup. So we have connected the apps. So this helps to manage wallets which are actually connected to the apps. You can actually explore the different apps on this particular platform. So you can actually click here. You have Uniswap, likes of Uniswap. We have PancakeSwap. And if you want to explore the apps on this particular platform, so we have the settings. We have the account settings. So we have settings. So this settings helps to give you you have settings like notification preference. So you can actually set your notification preference, how you want your notification. You have the theme, so you can actually customize your theme and icon on this particular smart wallet. You also have the balance visibility, so you can actually hide your balance on your home screen. So we also have about Clave. You can actually read about the terms and conditions, the privacy and the channel about Clave smart wallet. And we also have advanced features, so you can check more advancing features on this particular platform. And we also have the Clave version. So the current version of this particular smart wallet is actually version 3.8.1. so that is everything about the settings. So we have the logout function. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and don't also forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me for more crypto content. Thank you guys for watching this video.